Hausa Fulani, they have come again with another pattern after all the whole blow, all the whole bomb where they throw to Igbos, but the Ndigbo dodge it. As we dey talk right now, they say the Hausa Fulanis don't come with another pattern. Oh, imagine what this Fulani terrorist is telling his followers, that is the Igbos that is causing all the whole thing, all the whole fuel price, everything that is happening in Nigeria, not to the Tinubu government. My people, this one chocotalize me. Oh. But however, I'm going to play the video as they watch. May you they share the video. As this one they happen, so and they get the information, say they come October, there's going to be another nationwide protest, massive one, and this guy is calling the Igbos and everybody to join the protest for them to fight this government once and for all. Guys, I'll play the video as well, but I want to talk something there very, very important. So let us watch this video of this Hausa Fulani man talking before we come back and continue.
Masu gaba da Muslim suna neman wai su sa musulmi su ki jininka, yan Najeriya su ki jininka, ka tafi nemo wa Najeriya alheri a ƙasar China, sai suka kan ka dawo sai suka ce an ƙara mai, ko bai ba lokacin da aka ce an ƙara mai din yana ƙasar, kafin a ƙara yana da haƙin ya sani ko ba, mataimakin sana da haƙin ya sani ko babu. To bayan sun faɗa sai abin da ya kamata a bada sanarwa sati ɗaya ko biyu za a yi ƙari shiru, sai ka an ƙara, wani ma bai ji ma an ƙara ba, sai da aka je gidan mai saka ga wur an canja ya koma kaza, don faɗa da gwamnatin muslim mai faɗa da muslim Allah ka isar mana a kansu. Wai al'ummar musulmi anya ba za a gane kafiran nan suna kin Islam ba, su zagi shugabanninmu na musulmi, su ba ku kudi su ce zagi ubanka, su ba ka kudi su ce zagi malaminka, su ba ka kudi su ce zagi shugabanninka. Wata hauka ce ta kama ka? Allah ka kebo bayi. Shugaban ƙasa Ahmad Bola Tinubu, wallahi mun zaɓe ka saboda Allah, ba kudi ka bamu ba. In kudi ka bamu muka yi yarjejeniya da kai, ka fito ka gaya wa duniya. Jama'a muna son gwamnatin muslim ko akwai mara santa? Muna so saboda Tinubu ko dan Allah, don Allah, saboda Tinubu ko dan kudi, don Allah, saboda Tinubu ko dan kabilanci, don Allah, Allah ka karba mana. Kar ku yadda ku yi wasa da ƙuri'arku. Ko yan yara da gobe fito wai zuwa zaben local government, wai masu wani yana so wani ya so, ku goma a kansila ɗaya ku bar wa mutum ɗaya, amma ba dan ni ba dan Allah. Jama'a dukkan unguwa mu je, duk wanda ya yi mana taurin kai kar mu zaɓe shi, mu bi ƙuri'unmu a gwada a gani. Aka ce ai yanzu an koma yayin murɗiya, kai na ce komai nisan dare.
Yeah, my wonderful people, Shebuna don't hear that. For most of you, I would understand Hausa, but I don't hear waiting they talk for that video. But however, now so we be, now we say we bring and come give now. Let us look into this update that is popping up now. They said that the Yoruba Union have called on Bola Ahmed Tinubu to resign, that the October worldwide protest must be fair. They said they are not going to intervene, they're going to support the protest and make sure say the protest stand. And they call Tinubu say make he resign now. My people, you don't read though. The information what would they get right now be say that the Aliko Dangote say in fuel he go sell them at 1,300. He don't Nigeria I don't read for inside that areas we they talk right now. As we they talk, oh, they say 196 Nigeria army have dropped their resignation letter, saying they are not working again. No, where did they go? Most of them they go join Russia army, some they join British army, some they join Ukraine army, or some they join other army for all part of the world and leaving the Nigeria army. So I want to use this medium to tell all Biafrans, please do not join any foreign army. Our own land must be defended. Our land is going to be the last place there will be a story of slaving, picking people to go and fight in the war again. It will never happen in this history. Please do not join or do not follow among those people who are resigning and joining another army in another man's land. Please go to your homeland and join whatever your people are doing there. Do not be part of this. I'm calling all Biafrans that is in Nigeria army. Okay, my wonderful people. As that one they happen, come here that some Nigeria youth are calling the old tribe to join the protest coming on October. Let me play you the video.
In 15 days, Nigeria will be on a total shutdown. If una like this time, may una no come out. You see this problem, now all of us and the sufferer. Here they fix the first one, una run go sit down till they catch some people now, they put them in jail as I speak to you, just because you people refuse to come out. And that is the reason. Now, Labour, I believe Labour did this setup that we are paying for today. If not, Labour knew very well that this Mr. President and his cabal, they have a way of getting away with whatever they want to do. That is why he accepted to increase minimum wage, and shortly after he has increased fuel price so that everybody will suffer. Both people that are not being paid the minimum wage are now suffering to pay the wage, because it's like they're using our money to pay us salary. That is what the president is doing now. So NANS, which is the National Association of Nigerian Students, have said on the 15th of this month, 15th of September, every Nigerian should come out. They didn't say you must be a student. If you like, say it doesn't concern you. That one is your business. Right now, it concerns all of us, and they say let everybody come out. We cannot continue like this. Mr. President should build more prisons so that he can catch all Nigerians and put inside. We are not slaves. If this thing has been done to us by white people who say we are still in the slave era, but look at what is happening. Dictatorship everywhere. You just come and you pronounce whatever you want. You don't let people to talk. You don't, and people should just sit down and die. No, now. What is all these things that people will not have rest in their houses? They will not have rest. They won't eat well. Nothing. And you don't care. You keep increasing prices of things. If Nigeria doesn't have money in their treasury, it's not our business. You people started that process from inception. We are not part of the government. We have been at home. You people are our leaders. You take decisions of whatever happens. And now, when it started backfiring, you said we should stay at home and cry and not talk out. Simply because you don't want the international community to know whatever happens in your country. If you know that you don't want that, why did you now do that in the first place? Why won't you treat your people nicely? Why would you buy the luxurious vehicles, aircrafts, the yacht and all that? Why would you invest so much money on the Senate, on the governors, on the lawmakers, and then frustrate the poor masses? And you think they will not cry? I think the advice is just to build more prisons, because so far people are in pain. They prefer to be where government will be feeding them, no matter how little. Some people cannot even afford the food that is being fed in the prison at their various places. They can't get what the prisoners eat in their homes right now. So they even prefer to go to the prison, despite the whatever it is, the restriction, the freedom deprivation. As I speak, many Nigerians are fed up. You have stopped them. Recently, the protesters of the recent protest, they were now charged for treason. You all know that is a very big crime. And if you are charged for treason, two ways there is either you are sentenced to life imprisonment or you are killed. Killed either by hanging or whatsoever. Or maybe a softer penalty is pending on them. So is this what we want to be doing to every Nigerian? This is not nice. The prison is choked with innocent Nigerians, starting from the time of NSAS, and nobody is talking. And now they talked about activists, they talked about freedom fighter, they talked about, human rights activists. Where are they? Nobody is there, because Jagaban is on seat. Everybody is afraid. I am disappointed in this country called Nigeria.
Okay, my people, this one is September 15. Another protest is coming on October. E Don Red. You see this country? You see this country? I will give this advice and I will not give it again. Let there be a round table. Let everybody come together and discuss way forward of this country. After that, those who say they want to go, if they have referendum or if their voice is loud, let them go so that they can prepare their future. There is no way out. We are doomed. Bola Ahmed Tinubu may be the last president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria because people cannot continue like this. If the military are resigning very soon, the navies, the police, others, I know more than thousands of police who are willing, who are looking away at. Could you imagine? When the military are resigning, every force they have are resigning, then who is going to protect the country against any invasion, future invasion? This is a signal given to the terrorists to invade Nigeria. It's a signal given to all the whole Al-Qaeda, all the whole bandit to invade. Yes, it's a very signal. And we are pretending that everything is working fine. You see some people, some Nigerians still don't know what is happening. However, I bring and come show and wanna know as they go for the area. Please share the video and make sure they follow this page for more update. Please, we have a new Facebook called Barabas Vlog. Please don't forget to give us a follow in that particular page. Support us is the only thing you are going to do for us. You are not paying us. Please support us in when following our page, sharing our videos, and also make sure you engage us on our YouTube as well and in our TikTok account. Thank you so much. Guys, do not forget to bring up your work. Anything you are doing, we want to promote it for you here free of charge. Thank you.